Good morning, dear students. This is the seventh and last video of Geography, Chapter 5. Chapter name is Industries, and this video is for the student of Standard 8. Students, in our previous video, we discussed about the IT industry, IT sector, and how IT sector is just expanding, and in worldwide it is in use, and it is helping and making the life of the people easy. So related to all these topics, we will cover this special video which will clear your mind that how IT sector or what is the role of IT sector in each and every sphere of our life. So without wasting much time, let's begin from this. First of all, what is information technology? From there we will start. So information technology, as you have seen previously also, it is the application of computer and telecommunication technology to obtain, process, store, retrieve and transmit data in the form of voice, picture or text, or often in the context of a business or other enterprise. So this you might have read in your computer book also, in your IT book. So this is the information. Okay, what it is getting, it is obtaining the data, processing it, storing it, or retrieving and transmit the data according to the need. What is in the form of input, that is voice, picture or text. It is also just using the context for business or other enterprise. It can do at least three things. What are they? It can process raw data into useful information. It can recycle processed information and use it as data in another processing step. It can pack information in a new form so it's easier to understand, more attractive or more useful. Just now I am just presenting you the data. So this is also somehow because of the IT. Okay, information technology. This is the PowerPoint presentation. So these are done by the IT only. Now what is information technology revolution? That also you should understand. Information technology revolution, or simply IT revolution, is the remarkable changes brought about by information technology in various fields like education, entertainment, business, medical and lifestyle, etc. In each and everything, whatever we just discussed over here, education, entertainment, business, in all sphere we are just using IT. So this changes in the education and entertainment, business, medical and lifestyle, this is called the revolution, IT revolution. Now role of IT in education, one by one we will see that what is the role of IT in each and every field. So in education, what is its role? Right now you are getting the education with the help of IT only. Here also some students might be using the offline classes, this online classes on computer, on their PCs, on their phone. So somehow we are using the processor which is working, and then only it can just show us the data which is shared by the other. So access to a variety of learning resources, just like take example of Byju's, Vedantu, many apps are there, many educational apps are also there. Then after that, extra mark, that is also with the help of IT it is working. Immediacy to information, that also immediately it is providing us the information. Anything, anytime learning, anywhere learning. Okay, anytime learning and anywhere learning with the help of mobile. If you are traveling also, with the help of laptop or PCs, you can just get the information anywhere. You can just start learning anywhere, anytime. Multimedia approach to education, that is e-class, e-learning, educom. So many where you might have seen that online tests are also there, and in our school only online test you are just giving, you are becoming very much familiar. This is also one revolution in the IT sector. Authentic and up to date information. Okay, whatever data are just placed on IT, or whatever data we are getting from IT sources, so these are authentic because every sector is linked in that. Access to online libraries, simple Google is example, and other search engine is example. Just like Bing is also a search engine, that is also example. Teaching of different subjects made interesting with the help of this slides. This way you can just understand the topic in more interesting way. So these are the methods which is becoming possible only with the help of IT. So in this way you can understand in uh, the role of IT in education is to provide multiple information anywhere anytime. Okay, and it is using the multimedia in education like e-class, e-learning education. Authentic information it is providing, online libraries it is providing. Okay, as well as it is making teaching as an interesting method. Role of IT in entertainment, this I don't need to say. You all are familiar that what is the role of IT in entertainment. Nowadays the VLC media player, music system, okay, online movie you can just watch, sports, movies, animation, music, games, social networking, all can be done with the help of IT. So what role IT play in entertainment? I don't think I have to just tell you. You all are very much familiar. Many of you are just using social media. You are just playing games, sports. Okay, you are watching sports, movies, animation. Also, many students are just making music. Also, you can just listen. You can just make also music over there. Compose also music over there. Role of IT in environment. This is important. Remote sensing and GIS, that is Geographic Information System, provides data and knowledge concerning the global environment as it is used for mapping and monitoring various natural resources. Nowadays, you will just watch in news channel that they are just saying that okay, this area, the area catches forest fire and deforestation takes place. Okay, many people are just doing the illegal hunting, so these data can be shared with the help of IT. This is this IT is only helping to do the mapping of an area with the help of satellite, with the help of different types of gadgets or machines or drone, which can be operated by the computers only. So basically this can be done with the help of IT, and people can do the mapping. They can just monitor the area, natural resources. Okay, so this is the role of IT in environment. It is used for computer based modeling and simulations of environmental scenario for analysis and predictions of climate change and weather. You might have heard that it used to news channel used to publish, or news channel used to forecast the weather, that in which area the cyclone is going to come or going to hit the area, typhoon used to hit the area. Okay, so which area will receives the pleasant climate. Okay, so this all can be done with the help of information technology. It enables environmental scientists and researchers around the world to communicate, collaborate, and coordinate. Okay, so these all can be just done with the help of IT only. It is enabling environmental scientists and researchers around the world to communicate. Suppose that any organization, any scientist organization publish something, so that can become very much beneficial for other if they will just correlate that topic with them, and if they will start collaborating, coordinating each other. Just like many information of NASA can be utilized by ISRO, or many ISRO information can be utilized by NASA scientists. Role of IT in business. IT plays an important role in business environment as every organization adopts IT in some form or the other to perform the task in effective manner. You have heard already about the e-commerce. Okay, many things we are just purchasing online, like flipkart.com, amazon.com are example of e-commerce. It has affected business in following ways: competitiveness, security. Okay, here you don't have to face lots of competition. Cost benefits, here you are just getting. Marketing it is providing, and e-recruitment is also going on. like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra. They are just hiring the people, skilled people who can just work the technical. Role of IT in defense and military. Okay, recently India is about to sign the BECA agreement with America. So with the help of this BECA agreement, India can just use any satellite of USA, okay, to get the information of any place. So this way you can understand that it helps in the defense sector of India. And earlier also India has signed the Comcasa and uh, Lemoa. Okay, so many India just signed with the USA. With the help of IT, India can get many types of benefits. Okay, so this is about India. Now just see, information technology in defense service helps the military to improve readiness and response. More flexible, timely and dependable access to information is needed. IT capability allows military personnel to literally converse with computer to create, access and manage information and solve problems. Many time you will see just these days there is a war between Armenia and Azerbaijan. So you can just take example of the IT to understand that how they can just use the IT in the defense, or they can use in the military services. They can launch the missile with the help of the IT. Okay, computer is sending the data and computer is giving the instruction to the missile with the help of the GPRS. Okay, so or GPS machine, global positioning system machine. It used to just hits the target whatever set. So these all can be done by the computer. This is one example. Many a time you will see that opponents or the two parties used to fly the drone in the enemy's side. So they used to just fight with the help of computer only. They used to instruct with the help of remote control. So these all can be done with the help of IT. We can just use the radar, that is also with the help of computer or IT. So this way radar can give us the information that from which side which plane is coming or which type of movement is just going on. So, and satellite is the best example. Role of IT in e-governance. In government also this IT plays very important role. Government forms available online for easy downloading, registration of birth and death online, land records management and information, driver's licensing application online, application for passport online, okay, application admission to government education institutions online. So many a time you might have visited to cyber cafe for fulfilling the form. So these all can be done. Okay, if a person has to take the birth certificate or death certificate of anyone, so they can just take online, they can apply for online. Okay, land records also they can just get online, as well as passport application for passport they can just use online. Next is role of IT in human health. You can see here IT can be used for audio, visual and data communications for medical consultation, diagnosis, treatment, nursing and medical education. You will see that people are diagnosing the people, doctors are diagnosing the people with the help of the machine. Okay, with the help of the computer they are detecting that they are just screening the patients. So this is the role of the IT, and with the help of computers only doctors can just operate the person. They can just do the surgery of the people. Okay, severe or major surgery also even can be done with the help of the computers nowadays. It is used for testing of DNA, creating DNA database and genetic information about population, medical records and fingerprints, which are used by investigating agencies to identify missing person and criminals, better control and monitoring of epidemics and spread of diseases, HIV, malaria, swine flu, etc. So these all can be checked or controlled by the IT. In transport, you can see here M indicator, that yatra.com, book my show. So in transport and other facilities we can just use this IT. Okay, online movie booking, example bookmyshow.com, online railway and airline booking, example indianrailway.government.in, yatra.com. Online traffic updates and information about the schedule of trains, buses, and airlines are now easily available on the internet, thus making passengers comfortable about their journey. Example, M indicator. Okay, so with the help of these are the IT based, and these are helping the people to get the information, okay, from their home only. They don't have to just go to anywhere to get the information. So these all are just making the person's life easy. Okay, so here we read about the role of IT in different sectors: in health sector, in defense sector, in education sector, in commerce sector, in e-government sector. Okay, so this way you can just understand that how much IT is important for us, and especially in this pandemic time, we all just come to know that what is the importance of IT, because many a time you might have seen that people are transferring the money online. Okay, you also might just use somewhere your debit card and the credit card, or your Google Pay, Phone Pay. Okay, so it might be possible that your parents are also using. So this way you can just see that without just going to the bank or physical interaction, you can just deal with the person or the shopkeeper. Okay, so this way this pandemic time also just help the people to understand and to know the importance of IT. You have seen that how poor people just got the benefits of the Jandhan Yojana, okay, and how the government just transferred the money directly to the account of the people. So this can be done only with the help of IT. So thank you for watching, students. Thank you for your kind attention.